Hello! So today we're going to talk about how you type a friendly letter. I'm sure you've had plenty of opportunities to write friendly letters by hand and on notebook paper, but today we're going to talk about typing them. So the first thing we're going to do is give ourselves a little bit of room. To do that, we are going to put our clicker next to grade and we're going to press, and then we're going to press enter once, enter twice. Go ahead and make sure your paper looks like mine. All right, now we're going to move on to the next step, which is our return address. Normally this would be your address, but we're going to use the school's address today. So you have your alignment here, and this makes it on the left. That puts our little cursor, that little blinking line, this thing right here, on the left-hand side of the paper. Now you've used this button to put it in the center of the paper. Now we're going to use this one to put it on the right-hand side of the paper. So we're going to click that, and you see it moves it over here. Alrighty, so now we're going to type our return address. So we're going to go 6500 Southway Road, enter, Clayton, Ohio, 45315. Okay, go ahead, do what I've just done, pause the video, and then go ahead and play it again when you are done. Alrighty, now it's time to add the date. So we're going to press enter again, and the date's going to go over with our return address. So I'm going to type in, today is October 1st. So OCTOBER, first, comma, space, 2019. Alrighty, now I'm going to go over, and now it's time to write our greeting. So I'm going to press enter once, enter twice, but notice our little cursor is still all the way on the right. We need to move it back to the left-hand side for our greeting. So we're going to go over, press alignment, and it moved it for us right here. So we are going to write this to Miss Junie B. Jones. So we're going to go Dear Junie B. Jones. Now this, you might be putting Dear Mom, Dear Samantha, that sort of thing. And that is perfectly okay if you're using their first name, if it's somebody you really know. So we're going to have that there. Now we're going to press enter once, enter twice. Now for the body paragraph, you are going to want to use the tab key to indent. So we're going to press our tab key once, and there you go. There's your indentation. So I'll start typing, and then you go ahead, and this is the paragraph you are going to type. You don't have to make it up. So just type what you see. Alrighty, go ahead and pause when yours looks like mine. Okay, now we need to do our closing. Now the closing in your signature for a friendly letter actually goes on the right side, but if we press enter now, look, it's all the way on the left. So we're going to press enter one more time, and we're going to change alignment back to this right-hand side one over here. So then you're going to type sincerely. You may type love if it's for like a family member. Sincerely, comma. Oh, there we go. Miss Duhan. Alrighty. Go ahead, pause the video until your paper looks like mine. Okay, now it is your turn. You are going to write 3 sentences about what you are going to do over the summer. Okay, you are going to write this to Stanley Lambchop, also known as Flat Stanley, and you are going to put the school's address. So remember the different parts of the friendly letter. You can refer to yours up here because it should look very similar. Alrighty, when you are done, remember to save your paper so that way you can turn it into Canvas. Alright, I will see you real soon with our next video.